What's better than a cute little park tucked into your neighborhood? How about a 5-bedroom, 4-bath home with a pool in the back? This pool has a tanning ledge and it's heated so that you can have fun all year round. Trust me, you'll never want to leave home with a backyard like this. See this gray fence? The HOA pays for it, so you don't have to. Tall ceilings, an open floor plan, and a kitchen so pretty it'll almost make you want to cook. And not one, but 2 bedrooms downstairs. Large game room upstairs, this home truly checks all the boxes. This listing just hit the market in Marbella. Let me know when you're ready to see it in person.